Hello, fifth graders. This video is hopefully going to quickly show you how you can add captions to your pictures in a Google Drive document. I know when we've been publishing our research, we haven't really found a great way to add. We know how to add pictures, but we haven't found a great way to put a caption on there to go with them. So this is kind of a roundabout way, and it's not exactly easy, but if you can follow directions, this is a way to do it. So you need to make sure on some of the classroom computers, I already put this on our Google Chrome browser, but if you're doing this at home, you need to make sure this is okay, that you put this. There's a little app you can add to your Google Chrome browser. So you need to make sure that's okay with your parents that you add this app. If you search for awesome screenshot, the first thing that comes up, you're going to look and see something that is the Google Chrome store, and this is free on Google Chrome. And this is, like I said, it's kind of an app you can add to your Google Chrome browser. So whenever this loads in a second, it looks like this. You're going to push this button up here. I already added it to my Chrome, but this button up here in the corner, yours will look different. If you have not downloaded it yet, you can add this to your Google Chrome by pressing this button, and within a few seconds it should add it to your Google Chrome browser. Once it's added to your browser, you're going to see something that looks like this, and like I said, I've already added this to our classroom computers. It is this button over here. Alright, that's what you're going to need. So pay attention. It's like I said, it's not easy, but if you can follow directions, you should definitely be able to do it. Alright, so you've got your awesome piece of writing that you've been working on, and you want to add a picture to it, a text feature. You've got the picture you want to add. Alright, we know how to do this. You're going to copy your image, come back to your document. I just want you to paste the image somewhere near where you're going to want it in your document. Alright, it doesn't have to be in an exact spot. Go down and you can see this one. This is a little bigger. I'm going to resize this so it fits inside my text for how I plan to use it. And I'm going to add a little caption to it. So this is an Iroquois longhouse. So I'm going to make the font a little smaller, because sometimes captions, font's a little smaller. And I'm going to say above picture shows an Iroquois longhouse. Alright, and maybe I'll try to make it a little more center. Alright, once you do that, you've got that in there, make it the size that you want it. Come over here. Click on this awesome screenshot button. If you click it once, you're going to scroll down to the second thing where it says capture a selected area, because we don't want to capture the whole screen. We just want a selected, an area that we're going to pick. We're going to hit capture selected area. And then we're going to do this. The screen's going to turn like this. You're going to click once and hold your mouse button down. So you're going to click, and it's going to look like this. And click as much as you want to capture. This is kind of like cutting something out of a magazine. Alright, so you're going to capture it. Once you stop, you can hit capture. Now if you misclicked or whatever, you can adjust this. You can move it in, you can make it whatever. But like I said, this is just like clipping something out of a magazine. You're kind of using a pair of scissors here. Alright, I'm going to hit the capture button. It's going to take me to a screen that looks like this. Alright, it's going to look just like this. I'm going to press done, and then I'm going to go down here and hit copy to clipboard, and that's going to copy not only the image that I have, but it's also going to copy the caption that I included on there as well. I'm going to come back to my document, and I'm going to delete the image and the caption that I had created originally. Now I have an idea where I want to put it. I want to put it up into my text. So I'm going to right click again. I have that copied in my clipboard. I'm going to hit paste. Oops. Now I've got the new image, and I've got the caption to go with it. And we showed this in class when you want it to. Oops, I moved this around a little bit. When you want your picture to fit inside your text, you're going to click this button for wrap text. Come up here. I'm going to move it up into my text where I want it, and Boom, looks just like that. Fits in nicely, looks great. All right, so that's all you need to do. If, like I said, if you're using the classroom computers, I already have this on there. If you're using a computer at home and you have your Google Chrome browser on there, it's a free app. Just make sure you show your parents this and just make sure it's okay that you put that app on their browser. Just make sure they said it's okay. All right. It's kind of a roundabout way of doing it, but it is a way. It's the best way that I found to do it, to be able to add a caption in to your to your to your document. All right. Have a good one. I hope this video helped you guys out. Thank you.